Hello everyone, this is Crystal, and today is the 25th, which means it's release day at Typecast Designs. And I am so excited to share with you some of the items that are releasing in the Typecast Design shop today. This month, Jessica sent us surprise packages, so we didn't get to see these ahead of time. I have no idea what's inside here. I'm super excited to take a look with you and see all the gorgeous things. Of course, I can see this top one and I'm already super excited about it. So yeah, let's take a look. Okay, so this top one is a set of hearts. These are all connected, these white hearts, and then these brightly colored beautiful things go inside them. So there's yellow and teal and green and red and pink, and they slip inside each of these. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna take it out and show you because trying to explain it is not working. Okay, so here is the white heart piece. These go inside there like this. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. It is so, so pretty. Look at that. I love it. It's like a little rainbow of hearts and I love it so much. Okay, there is that one. Let me set that over here. Next up, we have another one that does kind of the same thing. So, oh, little piece broke off there, but that's no problem. Oh, actually that's the inside of the E. It didn't break off. Okay, so again, this says summer vibes. Of course, these little pieces go inside just like this. Something like that. And there is that. I think that is just there. So look, it says summer vibes in these bright, beautiful colors. I love that a lot. It goes beautifully together with that heart shape. Then we have these that say who, what, when, where, and why in the same bright, beautiful colors. These are the days of the days of the week. There's only one set of days of the week. So there's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And then next up, two more pieces here. Let's get them out of the packaging. This one that says this and that, I love that. And then bright sunshiny days in this gorgeous yellow color. Oh my goodness. There is so much to love here. Let me make these a little bit more visible for you. I am so excited to play with these, actually. There we go. That's a little bit better, maybe. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. They're so bright and fun. It's so perfect for summer. I'm so excited to make some gorgeous pages with these. So stay tuned. You will get to see me use these very shortly. Thank you all so much for watching. I will have all of these linked down below, or actually I will just link to her shop. If you didn't know, Typecast Designs, Jessica is doing something slightly different. Instead of trying to keep things pre-cut and ready to go, she is cutting per order. So it means that things aren't selling out as quickly as they used to, which was super frustrating for people. I totally agree. So it's really nice that you can order any of this and then she will cut it. It means that it takes a little bit longer to get your packages, but it means you can get them. So totally worth it. I think it's an excellent new model. I'm super excited that she's doing it this way. So just keep that in mind. It does take just a little bit longer to get your order because they're all cut to order. So yeah, it means you'll be able to get your hands on any of these. I'll link down to the shop. She'll have all of these listed along with a bunch of other goodies. Be sure to check out all of them. And then I will be back shortly with a page using some of these fun bits.